A lot of people don't know how to use the free tool available to them to get the pro or best result. They think that once they subscribe for the bigger amount of AI subscription, they are going to get the best out of it. But let me tell you something. Once you know how to use the free tool, you're going to get the most out of what you're editing work. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use free AI tool to get your retouching game or step up your retouching game to another level. Okay, so this picture is the sample I'm going to be using, and also this is my real picture. So I want to use this picture as well. I want to achieve something like this. So now you don't need to buy a high prompt. You don't need to subscribe big subscription, AI subscription. All you just need to do is to have the image you want to replicate, and that's all. So you don't need to crack your head trying to figure out the prompt for this, or even if you try to get the prompt for this particular image, I can show you how to do that so that you can apply it on any other image. Okay, so that's that. For now, the simplest method is to have the image you want to replicate. So here's the image I want to replicate, and this is me over here, which I want to achieve same result. Like I said, you don't need to have the same settings, but just make sure you have the image where your head is actually facing the camera, just like the what you want to achieve. So let's go right into it. Now what you just need to do is to communicate. Go to ChatGPT, and you can see that mine is even a free plan, not upgraded yet. It's just a free plan. And what you need to do is to communicate with ChatGPT as easy as you can. And look at what I told ChatGPT. I said put the subject in the second put the subject in the second into the first photo, meaning put this second person into this one. I said, but don't hide the glass, meaning I want it to look like the way I am here. And I said, make it look realistic. So just communicate simple with ChatGPT. Just tell ChatGPT what you want to do and maintain facial features. So this is what I write most of the time, and I get the best result. And I say maintain the clothes in the first picture, just change the subject. So yours might be simple. You might just type change the subject, put the subject in the first picture, in the second picture into the first picture, and maintain, always put this, maintain facial features and make it look realistic, or you can say make it look original, and just change the subject. So it's like talking what's in your mind, saying what is on your mind, what you want to achieve. So I don't need to buy a prompt, I don't need to do anything. Once I did that, ChatGPT gave me the exact, and you can see that it's looking the same with me. There's nothing different there. Look at, boom, that's me. And look at this one, that's me. Very simple, straightforward. And that's just what I want to show you. Get the two picture you want and then swap it. Just tell swap the face, make it look realistic, maintain the facial features of this old one, and the clothes should be the same. Or if you want to use this clothes, I can tell ChatGPT to use the same clothes, and it's going to do that for me. So that's just how I do it. So I just feel like you don't need to buy prompt. I can even get the prompt of this image, so I can upload this image and I say give me the prompt to get a an image like this, and boom, it's gonna give me out the prompt listing out the facial features, the expression, the color, the everything, good color grading, and then I can apply it on any other image. Do you understand? So thank you. If you learned something new in today's video, you can let me know in the comment section.